Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this video about indices like S&P 500, Nasdaq, and US30. So let's get started here. This is the chart. I'm going to take you back a little bit. No, this is Nasdaq weekly chart made on July 2023. This is where it started. It was a pattern finished around 157.18, and this is XABCD. And I says, okay, from here on, this will come down to this rising TL, and it did. Okay, so the TL is, I removed the TL, but it came down nice and clean right here. And from here, from 140.78, and then I said, okay, I'm going to skip a lot of charts in between, right? So take you a little, like fast mode. So from July to here it comes in October. Then I said, we're going to go up to this high or maybe even higher. So what happened? We went all the way there. So I made several charts here, long, but finally, this is the one. This is an extension of this whole drop to 127 extension, right? March 23rd. And then I said, from there, this is also a channel hit. If you look at that, it's a nice channel hit and 127 levels. So I said, okay, this is a confluence and it's going to drop back to 167.64. And that's exactly what started to happen here on March 23rd. I made the chart again. That's going to be target is going to be down there, 167.64. And this is on 15th April, and this is the final chart on 19, which was last Friday, right? So we are a little shy from here, right? In between 167.64 and the current price, maybe one more push, and we can easily get to this. And then we may bounce a little bit, but I think that we probably, after bouncing, then we're going to drop back to this TL. So let's see what happened, right? By coming down from, it's only this week, forget about everything else. But only this week, when I was expecting a down move, so I was looking for short. So I got this one on 15th, which was Monday, short Nasdaq. And then on 18th, I got another one, beautiful down, right? I had another one, but I lost the chart. I don't know where the heck is that. So anyway, so if it's lost, it's lost, right? So these two, Nasdaq. Similar thing happened in S&P 500. On July 2023, I made this chart as well over there in S&P 500, XABCD, 127. And I said it's going to drop to this low here and this high and then outer TL, right? So what happened to this chart is all the way came down here to this low, 4,100. Then I said we're going to go up here. This is a flag, bullish flag, and we're going to break that. And then we go probably this one or again this one or maybe higher, right? So if once we start going to the upside, then we go to the upside. And then this chart turned into this. It went all the way, not only this one, but this one, and then all the way channel hit. See this? This is the channel hit. And then if you draw the Fibonacci expansion from here to here, then it is exactly 100% also there. So that is, again, confluence at the same time as NASDAQ. So I said it's going to drop back to 48.16. And what happened so far? 15th April, it was there. And 19th, last Friday, we came down here. 48.16 is just not too far. So maybe, next week we might be able to accomplish that. Right, and then we bounce maybe a little bit from here, and then may come down all the way to this TL. And I'm expecting, I have a suspicion that stock markets are gonna drop big time. So be careful. Maybe 100% wrong, but that's what I have the feeling about. U.S. dollar and then Gulf War and all of that. So be careful. Similarly, US30. Well, the trades taken on this S&P 500 this week only. On 15th, this is the one. Sell order is right there. Boom, all the way down here from 51.47 to 50.55. Okay. And another one is on 18th, right from there. My EA opened this trade here, 50.14 to 49.42. Now, going into US30. US30 chart was this, all the way on the top. I don't know where the previous chart's gone. But unfortunately, I misplaced them somewhere, right? But yeah, so I had this that is gonna drop here, so it did, nice and clean. And then I said it's gonna go up all the way again to this, and then it did. And then finally on March 23rd, we ended up here, and then start to drop. I had the trade here as well. This is 4th April, and then you can see here 15th, and then this is on 19th, last Friday. This is what happened, right? And so far, the trades taken on this one is 18th April. I took this entry here, beautiful short entry, from 379.89 to 377.09. And then the same day, another entry was from here to 377.73 to 375.54. Okay, so these are the trades, and these are what's happening here in US30, Nasdaq, and S&P 500. So a little bit more to the downside to respective highs here, and then we will see that if you're going to bounce or break. Okay, so till then, bye for now, and talk to you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you need to get a hold of my system and learn and all of that, then you can go. This is my website address, creativetradingsystems.com. Okay, so like I said, see you again in the next video.